If you are me right now and have no fresh produce and no groceries in the house right now, but you still want to make a healthy-ish, high-protein, delicious dinner that doesn't break the bank, well, this $1.50 creamy garlic tofu is for you. I said what I said. It's $1.50 per serving, but it tastes like fancy, expensive takeout. It's so delicious and creamy and garlicky. Whew. It only takes 30 minutes to make. Plus, it's got a whopping 20 grams of protein per serving. So, if you love healthy plant-based recipes like this one right here, hit that subscribe button below, join the Steamy Vegan fam. It's fun here. Help a girl hit 50,000 subs. And let's make some creamy garlic tofu. Peachy. So, our first order of business is to take care of one ingredient that's gonna make up our creamy garlic sauce, and that is raw cashews. I've got half a cup here, but what I always recommend is to soak them for at least 20 to 30 minutes in hot water, like so, until they've plumped up, they've hydrated a bit. It just helps them blend to be even creamier once we get to making the sauce. Cool? Cool. Let's take care of the tofu here. So I've got a block of extra firm here, really straightforward. We're going to crumble up our tofu into little blocks or chunks, whatever. Now this part is optional, but I like to add just maybe about half a tablespoon of some olive oil or any other kind of more neutral oil. And then just give the tofu a real quick toss. We got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We got a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. This adds flavor, savoriness, important protein and B vitamins. A little pinch of kosher salt and a bit of black pepper. And now just give it all a good little tossy. Now we're just gonna yoink it in the air fryer. 20 minutes at 380. Bye-bye. All right, we move on to the garlic sauce. Now, the only produce prep we have to prep is finally chopping up a large shallot or an onion and a whole bunch of garlic. I've got about 6 large cloves here. This is all I'm using for this recipe because it's all I have for veggies in my house right now, except for that very lonely cucumber on my counter. A moment of silence for my sad, lonely cucumber that's been there for over a week. Now, it goes without saying that if you have actual produce to use up, things like mushrooms, asparagus, tomatoes, those would all be great in this kind of dish. And I'll leave recipe notes in the recipe link below. So get a little saucepan or something heating up over medium-ish high heat with about a tablespoon of oil. And we're gonna first add in the chopped shallots. We'll hang on to the garlic for now. That's gonna go in a little bit later. We're basically just going to saute these for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes, just until they're softened, super duper fragrant. I like to season with a little pinch of salt as I go. Just kind of helps them render down a little bit faster. And now we're just gonna quickly jump over to this side of my kitchen with my blender and my sad, lonely cucumber. And we're going to make our cream sauce. Super easy. We're gonna take our soaked half cup of cashews with the 2 and about 1/4 or 2.5-ish cups of vegan chicken broth. This is basically just hot water with about 3 teaspoons of vegan chicken broth powder. It actually looks something like this. I'm lucky enough to be able to buy this stuff at a bulk store near me, but if you don't have this kind of thing, you can use a veggie broth or the not chicken bouillon cubes. Now we're just gonna blend on high speed for about 30-ish seconds until we have a nice smooth, creamy cashew mixture. Beautiful. Also, just a quick reminder, thought I'd just pop in here and tell you to subscribe below if you haven't already. It's fun here, you guys. I show people how to cook plant-based, delicious, usually high-protein recipes every single week, and I'm just here to help you live your happiest, plantiest life. It brings me a lot of joy to be here every week, helping you guys out. It's just what I do, and I want to help you. Oh my God, I'm a poet. Tofu's done, by the way. Nice and golden, crispy. Yum. Okay, the shallots are looking groovy. This is nice. We've got some brown color starting to happen on them, which we like. So now we're going to add in the garlic. I like to lower the temperature at this point. And now we're just gonna add in some very basic spices. I've got salt and pepper, red chili flakes, thyme, and basil. Just give it all a quick stir. We just kind of want to bloom the herbs and those chili flakes a bit. It smells so good. Also, by adding in the garlic kind of near the end here like I did, really helps to retain a lot of its good garlicky flavor. So now we're gonna add in the cashew cream, 1 pretty good tablespoon of some Dijon mustard. This is gonna add seriously good tang. And this is optional but highly recommended. 1/4 cup of some vegan Parmesan cheese shreds. You know, just for a little extra kiss of decadence. You'll notice very quickly that anything with blended cashews in it thickens up very quickly. Almost immediately, you will see it start to thicken. Look at how creamy it's getting already. Oh my gosh. At this point, you can pretty much turn off the heat. It's only been heating up now for about 2 minutes and it's already so thick and creamy. And now you can just toss in the tofu, stir it all in together. Look at that. Okay, let's talk serving suggestions. You could do cooked rice, quinoa, pasta. That's all I can think of at the moment. If you really felt called to do it, you could just eat it with a spoon right out of the pot and I wouldn't judge you one bit. I even found some fresh parsley in my fridge. Turns out I'm not completely out of produce after all. Now look how fancy that is. A 30-minute meal, zhuzhed up with a little bit of fresh parsley and a pinch of red chili flakes. Come on, you guys. Counter slapping good. If you guys want more delicious, budget-friendly recipes, tell me so in a comment below. And while you're at it, check out some of my other delicious, easy 30-minute recipes like Marry Me Tofu and Tofu Florentine. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Ta-ta! If your garlicky dinner can't kill a vampire, I don't want it.